Hello everyone, and today, this is part 3 of the video, and today is the video where I explain to you guys about the starting numbers of the second kind finally. We can probably spend weeks, probably days, putting this in by doing it with our hand, but we have a very easy formula that I think the guy named is Sterling made it, which is this. So, I will explain to you guys how it works. Let's say we want, when there is 6 balls in 2 boxes, okay? 6 balls in 2 boxes. So we write 6 balls in 2 boxes like this. So what would the n have to be? N have to be 5, because 5 plus 1 is 6. So n is 5, and k is just 2. So let's put it in here. So it is equal to 2 times 5, 2, plus n, which is 5, and k minus 1, so 1. Using this, we can find the 6 balls in 2 boxes. How? Well, it says 5 over 2. 5 stands for the number of balls. So 5, that goes to 2, which is 15. So 2 times 15 is 30. And a plus 5 balls in 1 boxes, that's 1. So let's add it, and that is equal to 31. And here I have this that I printed out just like now. This right here. And the one we were looking for was 6. We were looking for 6 balls and 2 balls. 2 boxes, my bad. And here you can see that it is 6 balls. That goes to 2 boxes. It's 31. We used the very easy formula that should take you 10 seconds if you don't explain it to someone. And we got the 31 here. Not impressed enough? Let's try this. 6 balls and 3 boxes. 6 balls and 3 boxes. 6 balls and 3 boxes. Now, we have 6 balls and 3 boxes. So, what would the n have to be? Well, 5. N is 5, because plus 1 we get 6. And k is equal to 3. Right? Now we have 3. Basically, I'll just do this because it's easier. 3 times 5 and 3 plus 5 and 2. What is 5, 3? 5, 3 is 25 times 3 is 75 plus 5, 2. 5, 2 is 15. And that is equal to 90, and it is right. 90. You guys can use this formula, but of course I found out that I don't have to use this and just do it. Which the pattern is, if you want to find this one, times 3 of what is above it, 10, that's 30, and just add the left one of what you just upped it. So 25 plus 3 times of 10, that is equal to 30, 55. This one is 55, and let's fill it all in. 55 is not right. What happened? Why is it not right? Oh yeah, no. You, not times it by 3, it's not like that. You times it by So, if you want this, then just go up once, which is 10, and times it by what columns of boxes you're on. So, right here is 4, so 4 times 10, which is 40, and plus 25. What is left of your side is, so 65, and if we want to find this, let's times 5, because we are on column 5 of 1. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Now this should be right. Okay. Now if we want to find this, times 2, because we are on column 2 of 31. That's 62. That is equal to 63. And that's right. Now let's times 3 for this one. That's 270 plus that is equal to 301. Okay. And now let's times 4 on this one, which is 240, 260, 350, 350. I'm not gonna even look at this because I can do my math. And 5 times 15, because we're on column 5. 5 times 15 is 75 plus this, 140. And 6, this is 21. And here is 63 times 2, 126 plus 1, 127. And now 3 times 301, that's 903, 966. And if we want this, 4 times 350, which is 1,400, 1,701. 5 times 140 is equal to 700,050. 6 times 21 is 126 plus this 126. Okay, 266. And this is equal to 728. Let's see if all of this is right. 31, 96. Ooh, they are all right. See? So, use my tip instead of Sterling's because it should be David numbers of the second kind. If you want this, then just multiply what is up above what you want to solve and times it by what column you're on and add it what is on the left side of it. And you get your answer. So, today's video was about the David numbers of the second kind. And this is the done series. See you guys in the next videos. Bye.